With Ampcontrol as your service partner, you'll have access to world-class technical support and a commitment to making sure your equipment works like it's supposed to and doesn't break down. Our integrated offering includes specialist engineering, workshop and field-based services. We work across a diverse range of electrical assets, with services including emergency support, maintenance and testing on the full range of high-voltage infrastructure, testing and maintenance of transformers, on-site and in our workshops and oil testing laboratory, full operations and maintenance services for medium and large-scale solar farms, as well as panel and system testing and analysis, specialist underground mining support to keep equipment operational and compliant, including overhauls and repairs in our certified workshops in key regional locations, relocating, testing and repairing of cables to the highest safety standards. We also lend our brightest engineering minds to solving customers' operational challenges and designing and integrating digital solutions that link your physical assets with your communications network and the digital world. Across a wide range of industries, Ampcontrol are your service partner, and we're here for you 24/7.